Parang local fish port nila, no?
Fish port.
It's a local fish port here in the island of Ika. So next stop namin is yung bridge connecting this island with the island of Miyagi. Tama ba?
Turn left, then turn left.
Turn left. Then
Turn left.
Okay. See? Stop tayo. Check. Clear.
Here.
Yung kahapon na heavy rains.
In 600 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Malapit pa lang. Check. Clear.
Yeah, clear.
Then
Left.
left side, no?
Yep. Left. One minute more. This is the beach na maganda rin, Ikea Beach. The best beach daw nila, but may entrance na 100 per person. Yan.
Meters. Ganda mo container dito.
You're crossing the bridge. There's a stopover in between if you want to stop.
Pinasukan natin na
Kahapon na nakasawalan. There's a place you can rest the car and then take pictures in between these two walls, these two bridges. Yeah.
You have arrived.
Tasya tayo.
Hindi pwede
Delikado.
na mag-stop, oh.
Can't stop pala.
Slow lang tayo.
Yeah, slow lang tayo. Okay.
Continue lang tayo. We'll stop doon sa unahan siguro. Ano?
Next destination.
Ha?
This is the next destination. Stop.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Ganda.
Ito pala pwede dito. Gusto mo dito? Naka-parking? Wala pa lang parking dito.
Marami pa namang spots. We're going to the center of this is Miyagi Island already.
Miyagi na to?
Yes.
Ito pa lang.
So we're going to a few spots in Miyagi. Ito palang in between.
We're into Miyagi. Duman to, di ba? Road. Yun.
Just follow the road. Okay.